Welcome back to Cooking with Kids. Today, I am here with Ella from Elevated.
Hi.
So we are going to be making blueberry muffins and chocolate muffins. Ella is going to be making blueberry muffins, and I'm going to be making chocolate muffins. I currently have the oven preheating right now to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. But Ella, meanwhile, do you want to tell us a little bit of what you do on your channel?
Well, we do a lot. We do science experiments. We talk about history. We talk about arts and mysteries and lots of cool topics. We've even done some baking in the past, and I think you really enjoy it. So please check it out.
Yeah, I'll go ahead and put your link in the description below. I think you just reached like 200 followers, right?
No, not yet, but we're close.
Yeah, that's really cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys what you're gonna need. So you're gonna need some, I'm gonna see if I can memorize all the words here. Bob's Red Mill gluten-free flour blend. Okay, something like that. So you're gonna need that, and then you're also gonna need some salt. And I'll go ahead and put the recipe and all the measurements in the description because I don't think I can remember all of those measurements. You're gonna need some baking soda, some grounded chia seeds, some almond flour, and then for our wet ingredients, you're gonna need coconut sugar, apple cider vinegar, mashed banana, maple syrup, either chocolate chips or blueberries. For the blueberries, you wanna coat them in almond flour, vanilla extract, and then some almond milk. So should we go ahead and get started?
Yeah.
Okay, so we can combine our dry ingredients first. Oh, and you're also gonna need 2 large bowls and maybe a whisk or like a ladle to mix everything with. So 2 large bowls for the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients, and you wanna make sure that one of them is pretty big to combine both of the ingredients, like both of the areas of mixtures. What's the word? To combine the wet and the dry mixture together. So you're also going to need a muffin or a cupcake pan with cupcake or muffin liners. I just have it lined right here like that. And then we can just combine everything. So flour first. Make sure we get all of that in there. And then we can do our almond flour. And this is all measured out right now, just to make it a little bit quicker. And then our chia seeds grounded chia seeds. Chia seeds grounded chia seeds. And then we can add our salt and our baking soda. Okay, great. And then we can mix this all together. Okay, so once we have that all combined, we're gonna want to add combine our wet ingredients. So you also need some coconut oil. I did not say this in the beginning. You're also gonna need some coconut oil. Yeah, I heated it up, it melted on the stove, and I just have it over there so that way it doesn't cool down too quickly and solidify. So I'll do the sugar first. Why not? And then I'll do the maple syrup. And then you want to make sure you get everything. You don't want to leave a whole bunch in there because there's still quite a bit left in there. So I'm going to go grab a spatula and get this out real quick. So then we're going to add our apple cider vinegar. Get that out with the spatula. I'm using a lot more bowls than I realized right now. Okay. And then you also, whenever you're cooking, it's always good to have like a bowl you can just put all the like if you want to put your whisk in there or your spatula, it's good to have like a bowl or a plate where you can do that. And then we're gonna add our vanilla extract. Chocolate chips are gonna be for the end when we have our batter made. And then I'll do my mashed banana here. And then our almond milk. So we have all of our wet ingredients together, except for our coconut oil, which I just got out right here. And we're gonna add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and then add the coconut oil. So we have our wet ingredients mixed together pretty well. Besides our blueberries or chocolate chips and our coconut oil. And we're just gonna add all our wet ingredients to our dry ingredients, but we're gonna want to do it
Gradually.
Yeah, gradually.
I've done a recipe, but I wasn't really reading it well, and I didn't do it gradually, and the whole thing just kind of got messed up.
Wow.
Good tip is to scrape the bottom and like turn it over to fold it so there isn't any excess flour on the bottom.
I just want to laugh until I can't breathe. Midnight moonlight dancing, never get.
I saw your video about your 1-year anniversary, and I actually just did a video back on my channel for my 1-year anniversary.
Yeah, I saw that. You painted rock.
Yeah, that was really cool. And now the garden looks much, much better.
Yeah, I bet.
Enough sleep, oh, the whole night through. And we could count the distant tumbling stars from the roof of our cars, letting go of our hearts. Close your eyes, pretend that it's your first kiss. Darling, can you feel it?
Now we're gonna gradually add in our coconut oil.
Okay.
Because this is gonna thicken it up once it applies. So I'm gonna add a tiny bit in there.
A little bit at a time.
So ignorant bliss all the whole night through, 'cause we don't wanna grow old. We just wanna be young.
Looking pretty good. So I'm going to add my chocolate chips in. I have 55 grams. I did not know how many I should add. So I'm going to add them like a little bit by little bit just because I wanted to make blueberry muffins, but then I realized I did not have blueberries. So I thought I'd do chocolate instead. So I'm going to add it kind of gradually.
Come and rescue me. Feel the sun on my skin and scream. We don't wanna grow old. We just wanna have fun. Wild and free, baby, we can dream.
Before you preheat your oven, before you bake anything in your oven, you want to make sure nothing's in your oven because sometimes I'll put stuff in there to let little pans to let it dry, but I'm glad nothing is in there. So I'm just gonna estimate with a spoon. This recipe makes about 12 muffins. I fill it to about the top of the muffin container, and it's already enough.
Mine looks pretty much done.
Okay, so we're just gonna add we're gonna put every little bit of our batter in our muffin container, muffin tray, cupcake tray, and we shall see you soon.
Farther than our eyes have ever seen. I don't wanna grow old. Baby, could we misbehave a bit more? Never know what's in store when we're out 'cause we don't wanna grow up. We just wanna be young. Play and make believe, come and rescue me. Feel the sun on my skin and scream. We don't wanna grow up. We just wanna have fun.
You guys can also put any walnuts on top or any little coconut shreds or sliced almonds. Ella is going to go put her stuff in the oven, and I will be following her lead soon. Okay, I now have all my stuff prepared in here. It's a little bit messy, but you know what? That's what happens when I'm cooking. So I'm gonna be really careful when I'm putting this in. Got some glove protection, and I'm just going to shut the toaster oven off because my dad put some toast in here that are done. And I am going to put these in the very hot, very preheated oven. So these are going to cook for 25 to 30 minutes or until the toothpick is clean when it comes out, which basically means when you put your toothpick in there into one of the muffins, maybe around the center one, one of the center ones, it comes out clean, there's no batter on it. So I'm going to set a timer for 25 minutes right now. And then if it still needs cooking, I'll just put like 3 or 4 minutes on there. So when your muffins are baking, it is always a good time to clean up. I'm going to clean up because that way after, I know I said this, after the muffins are done, then I'll have to clean up later. So we're just going to be cleaning up now. And I'll probably move my computer because my computer's right over the sink. So I'll just move it over here. Or I'll move it over here. Probably not going to see much, but for now, it's going to be cut out anyway. So clean up now. Okay, so Ella's muffins are now out of the oven. Mine have like about 4 minutes to go. But Ella, you want to show yours?
Sure. So they came out in a few parts, they came out a bit on the darker side, but they still look really good in general, and they smell really good, and yeah.
Yeah, they look really good.
Once they cool, I'm going to take them out of the trays, and then we'll do a little taste test.
Mm-hmm. Yep. So we just gotta let them cool and come out of the oven, and then we can do our taste test.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so my timer has just gone off. Oh wow! Oh my gosh, they're huge. Okay, they look pretty done. They're a nice golden brown. But I'm gonna put on these.
They're huge.
Yeah, they're huge.
A little bit flat.
Yeah, these are like gigantic. But like, here, I'll show you guys.
Whoa.
I know. Okay, so let me put this on there, and I'm just gonna do the toothpick test in one of like the middle ones, and they're all coming out clean right now, so they are done. I'm gonna turn the oven off so it can cool, and then I can put these on a cooling rack, and then we just gotta wait for our muffins to cool. Now they look so good. I mean, maybe I could have put a couple more chocolate chips in there because I can't see too many, but this should be good. I'm so excited to try them. Can't wait. Okay, so our muffins are now pretty much cooled. I'm not too patient where I can't wait any longer. Obviously, when you want to make sure you give them enough time to cool, because otherwise they're going to be quite gummy and they won't be properly cooked because remember they're still hot inside. But I thought we could do a little taste test. So take this out. Ooh, nice chocolate bit there. 3, 2, 1. Mm.
Mm.
It's good. I would say the chocolate doesn't go the best with it. Blueberries probably would go better. It's more of like a fruity type of muffin. But came out really good anyway. How's
Mm.
yours?
It's good. I feel like it kind of has the taste of baking soda. The taste of baking soda, and salt is a bit kind of overpowering. But other than that, it's really nice, especially for vegan and gluten-free.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so I think the muffins turned out really good, right?
Yeah, I think they did.
Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new to the channel or have not done so, please like and subscribe as I really appreciate it. Go and check out Ella's channel. I'll put it in the description, like I said. And you guys can go and like and subscribe on her videos too. And I'd love to do another one of these, another collaboration.
Definitely.
Yeah, so thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.
Wild and free, baby.